My name is Lucas. I am 24 years old. I live in a small apartment in a big city. My life is simple, but it is also modern. I use technology every day. Technology helps me study, work, and relax. Today, I want to tell you about my day and how technology is part of it. I wake up at 7 o'clock a.m. in the morning. My phone makes a loud sound. It is my alarm. I turn it off and sit on my bed. I feel a little tired, but I am ready for a new day. I take my phone again and check the time. Then I check the weather. The weather app says it is sunny today. I smile because I like sunny days. I go to the kitchen and make a cup of coffee. While I drink my coffee, I watch a short video on my phone. The video is funny. It makes me laugh. I like watching short videos in the morning. They help me start my day in a good mood. After that, I open a learning app. I study English for 10 minutes. The app shows me words. The words are simple. I repeat them slowly. I like learning English. It is difficult, but it is also fun. I want to travel one day, so English is important for me. At 8 o'clock a.m., I start my work. I work from home. I use my laptop for my job. My job is not very hard. I answer emails and write short messages. I also join online meetings. In the meetings, I talk to my team. We use cameras and microphones. Sometimes the internet is slow and the video stops. This is not good, but it happens. At 12 o'clock p.m., I take a break. I make lunch. I like simple food. Today, I make pasta. While I eat, I listen to music on my phone. Music helps me relax. I like pop music. The rhythm is fast and happy. Sometimes I sing, but I am not a good singer. After lunch, I go back to work. I work for 3 more hours. At 4 o'clock a.m., I finish my job. I feel tired, but I also feel good. I close my laptop and stretch my arms. Later, I go for a short walk outside. I take my phone with me. I listen to a podcast. The podcast is easy to understand. The speaker talks slowly. He talks about life, habits, and simple ideas. I like this podcast because it helps me learn new words. When I return home, I rest on my sofa. I open a shopping app. I do not want to buy anything, but I like looking at things. I see shoes, shirts, and headphones. Everything looks nice, but I do not need new things now. In the evening, I cook dinner. After dinner, I watch a series on a streaming app. The episodes are short. The story is interesting. I watch 1 or 2 episodes. I try to watch with English subtitles. It is good practice for me. Before I sleep, I check my messages. I talk to my friends in a group chat. We send emojis and short texts. We talk about our day. Sometimes we send funny pictures. I like talking to my friends. It makes me feel close to them. At 10:30 a.m., I go to bed. I put my phone on the table. I turn off the light. I feel calm. I think about my day. Technology is in every part of my life. It helps me learn, work, and have fun. But I also try to take breaks. I think balance is important. I close my eyes and sleep.